Did you know that 1 in 4 homes in Thailand will be affected by termites? Premises attacked by termites could cost up to 300,000 baht to repair. It doesn't help when termite damage is not covered by most home insurance policies. Termites are social insects whose colonies are divided into castes. Each caste has specific duties within the colony. Worker termites are responsible for foraging for food, caring for and feeding the young and others within the colony. Soldier termites are then tasked to protect the colony from predators. Alates are sexually mature winged termites that will leave the parent colony to establish their own colony. When they have settled, they will become the king and queen. A queen can even lay up to 30,000 eggs a day. There could be more than one termite colony under a property. Don't risk the safety of your home and family with termites and take action before it's too late. Rentokil uses FDA-approved chemicals which come in 2 variants, repellent and non-repellent. Termiticide with repellent effect will form a chemical barrier under the premises, thereby deterring the termites from entering it. Non-repellent termiticide will create a treated zone. The chemical is not only ingested but also adheres to their bodies. The affected termites then spread the active ingredient to other members of the colony through physical contact. This eventually reduces the population of the colony. Rentokil offers a range of solutions to your termite problems. If the property is yet to be built, liquid termiticide can be applied directly into the soil to create a treated zone against subterranean termites. The chemical will last from 3 to 5 years, thus protecting your home and family. During pre-construction, piping can be installed around the ground beam for future protection. The liquid termiticide can then be injected directly into the soil to create a treated zone against subterranean termites. If the property has been built up and has existing piping laid in the ground, liquid termiticide can be injected through the filler points of the piping to create a treated zone against subterranean termites. To minimize the risk of infestation, we will also do spot drilling with small holes up to 2 centimeters around key risk zones such as the kitchen, storeroom, etc. If your property has no piping system, we will do spot drilling with small holes up to 2 centimeters, which are between 60 to 80 centimeters apart, around your premises, both inside and outside, depending on the type of liquid termiticide used. The liquid termiticide will then be injected into the ground through each hole to create a treated zone. If drilling is not feasible or there is an active termite infestation, the Rentokil Colony Elimination Program is the ideal solution to get rid of active Coptotermis termites. This solution is non-toxic and effective in eliminating an active Coptotermis termite colony. In this program, both termite baiting and monitoring stations can be used. The above-ground baiting stations with active ingredients will be installed at identified active termite spots. The worker termites will feed on the bait and share it with the other termites in the colony. The active ingredient affects the termites by stopping their molting process. As they die off, the colony will decline and eventually be eliminated. In-ground monitoring stations are installed in soil around the compound at high-risk environments. Each monitoring station will have pieces of wood to detect termite activities. If these pieces of wood are found to be eaten, the bait with active ingredients will be replaced. The colony will be eliminated in the same manner as the above-ground baiting stations. In many cases, early detection is often the best solution. Spotting termites early could save your home and yourself money in the long run.